if you have a headache that seems really hot, quite often you can alleviate it by just doing single nostril breathing, especially if it's hot. So what you would do is you'd go ahead and place your thumb on your right nostril and just breathe through your left nostril for a little while. And then go ahead and put your middle finger or whatever fingers seems natural to you on your left and open up your right. Good.